Our thoughts can also combat with you as the heart struggles to guide with its thoughts. Our brain is a notable asset if it does not take over and thinks simplest about troubles, problems, and separations. It may convey us power, comfort, and peace if we do no longer permit it to be fed on by means of fearful thoughts and despairing effects. So choose positive mind and guide what the heart wishes. Take day out to process your day, and do not allow yourself to be fed on through excessive thoughts or overload. Now, we've got the opportunity to take essential classes from the obvious chaos. It comes with great opportunities of awakening, consciousness, and targets to wash away all that is old and does not mirror fact, love, integrity. One of the lessons of this inner wave is that it is not normal to hold in our lives beings who have not discovered the lesson of gratitude for our presence, divinity, and life. It's far every day in our residence to go into only humble souls, hearts that sense appreciation, gratitude for where we are and for life. Because by surrounding ourselves with beings vibrational based on contempt, dissatisfaction, disrespect, and lack of gratitude, we are deprived of vital energy to the detriment of all. Accepting such vibrations around us will let ourselves be completely drained of energy, and at the same time, we nurture the illusory identity in others, and for this reason, perpetuate that vibratory degree in them. Hearts full of negativity, envy, dissatisfaction, hatred, manipulation is the time to get up vibrationally. But something occurs to it. It is going out into the universe. Others are touched by it. However, it continually comes back to you. It is your energy. It belongs to you and always come back. What occurs is, it is rather just like the snowball that receives bigger and larger the more it rolls down the hill, gathering up increasingly more snow. This tiny pulse of strength, as it travels out into the universe, it will become greater, because it absorbs different energies alongside the way, and whilst it comes back to us, it comes back larger, stronger, and more effective than it was whilst it went out. So if the strength which you are sending out is poor or destructive or harmful, like if you have a bad concept about a person else, something it is going to come again to you and harm you 10 instances more than it might ever harm absolutely everyone else. Many times she works quietly, other instances her energy is immensely sturdy. Understand that she realizes that a few human beings have forgotten her to the point of choosing not to believe in her. Recognize that regardless of what you believe, she by no means leaves your respect. She will always be a crucial part of you. She wants you to recall. She quietly and patiently asks you to attempt harder, to discover that place of peace within yourself, to know, to remember. She and her group of angels need to provide you your self-belief sufficient to renounce her life. New abilities are rising for you as your divine blueprint kicks in. So cultivate them, honor them, use them in ways had to help the evolution of yourself and humanity. Those are innate to you, specific to you, and have to be shared, so shine your light. That is about being who you are in end of story. It is not where you are, or what you've got, or haven't begun to accomplish. More persistence, endurance, courage, and resilience will be wanted this month. Trust in yourself and your capacity to overcome any obstacles. Keep the thoughts and heart open in advance as you preserve a vision of your dreams and what you need to create in your life. Let spirit help, engage where you want to, and do not give up. We are leaning into the law of attraction and drowning in what we want. The whole lot is found out so that is able to be healed and released. For the new degree in cognizance to be activated in the person, it is important to understand that the people who've surrounded us so far have been our reflection. So step 1 is to invite ourselves what hidden elements are brought to lightly by way of their presence in our lives. It's far vital to work with our luggage, to take our instructions, and most effective than to smooth by drawing wholesome strains in our life. How we emerge as aware of the folks who are not in gratitude. We can write down the humans in our lives and how we experience around them. Are there repetitive cycles in relationships that decreases often our vibrational level? When these people come before us, do they have a heart complete of rejoicing? As much as Mother Earth does not like for this to be, it does take some time. She asks in your help in the course of this time of elimination and renewal. We ask which you maintain to find the light in us in addition to your own. Do not be deterred. She could by no means lead you, of course. Know this, and in no way be afraid to talk up about this. Never be afraid to invite questions, conversations, or wholesome. We would love to witness her rebirth on the earth, the original goddess, mother of this earth and mother of the universe. Invite simply healthy, conscious connection into your heart and your frame. Whatever that is not in resonance with this power of sacred union will sense of and need to be released and avoided. You've come a tuning fork for abundance, pleasure, and new opportunities. Because the whole lot this is old and reflects twin programming is disintegrating. It does not reflect us anymore. Now we are activated as limitless, divine beings, and our lives and world will reflect the love and harmony we are. Now, with the opportunity to take essential training from the apparent chaos, it comes with amazing possibilities of awakening, focus, and aims to clean away all that is old and does not reflect truth, love, and integrity. One of the training of this inner wave is that it isn't normal to keep in our lives beings who have not learned the lesson of gratitude for our presence, divinity, and life.